Hi everyone. So, bakit maganda ang Kaiser long-term HMO? Actually, pwede po siya for 10 years old to 60 years old and 6 months. So, pitong taon lang po tayo mag-iipon at the same time, lifetime na po tayong cover. Ito po yung mga reality, no? Kumbaga, number one, na-realize natin na karamihan ng pinaka-importante is healthcare kapag may sakit na and nasa hospital or magre-retire na. The next one is medical cost double every 5 to 7 years. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, because of the advancement of technology as well and yung inflation, so magmamahal po talaga yung cost ng healthcare needs po natin moving forward. And marami pong doktor at maraming gamot, pero bakit namamatay ang pasyente? Kasi madalas dahil walang pera ang pampagamot. So, kailangan po natin talagang i-prepare yung healthcare needs natin for the present and at the same time for the future sa retirement po natin. So, moving on, meron po tayong tatlong klase ng healthcare. Una is yung short-term HMO. Kadalasan po, usually ito yung binibigay ng company natin na while we are employed, meron tayong benepisyo. However, if we resign or retire, wala na po siya moving forward. The next one is, ito naman pong senior care. So, yearly po yung healthcare for senior years. However, for our case sa Kaiser, hindi na po tayo tumatanggap ng new applications until further notice. So, what we can offer is itong long-term HMO for age 10 years old to 60 years old. So, ito ang pinakamurang healthcare dahil 7 years to pay lang po siya yung hulog pero covered tayo hanggang pagtanda. So, ano po yung component ng Kaiser Long-Term HMO? Una po is meron pong life insurance. Covered po tayo ng life and accidental insurance for 20 years in case of untimely death. And in case of the insurer passes away during the paying period of 7 years, the remaining installment po will be waived. Ibig sabihin po, fully paid na po siya and malilipat po yung plan dun sa nilagay po nating beneficiary kung sino po yung primary beneficiary basically. Number two, the beneficiary will receive the insurance proceeds. Siyempre, meron po siyang instant na pera or good as cash. And yun nga, malilipat po kay beneficiary number 1 ang policy. Siya na po yung bagong owner of the plan. Wala na po siyang babayaran at all investment ng healthcare HMO ay siya na po yung makagamit moving forward. Ayan po siya. Yung ibig sabihin po niyan. Yan. And then meron din po siyang healthcare na component. So kung magkasakit po tayo ngayon or pagdating ng ating senior citizen, pwede natin siyang gamitin ang Kaiser in all accredited clinics and hospitals nationwide. So meron lang din po tayo mga Kaiser accredited hospitals or networks kumbaga. Then investment, ito lang po yung healthcare plan na nire-reward po tayo kung hindi po tayo nagkakasakit. The healthier we are, the better because the more our investment grows. So once our plan po ay mag-mature at the end of the 20th year, pwede natin i-withdraw or iwanan lang ang pera natin para tuloy-tuloy lumago for our long-term healthcare HMO need or source of retirement fund. Passive income na po siya basically. So eto po siya. Meron lang din po tayong Kaiser long-term HMO na schedule of benefit syempre. Yan. And then, dito naman po sa part nito, ito po yung recorded video ni Tin ng wife ko. So you can build your solid financial foundation. Meron na po kasi siyang healthcare eh. Pwedeng long-term and short-term HMO. The next one is meron din po siyang protection or life insurance. And lastly, investment. Ayan po siya. Sino po ba yung pwedeng kumuha ng Kaiser Long-Term Care? So meron lang din po tayong bracketing for this case. For age 10 to 40 years old, ang minimum plan is 2647. Pero we can opt to get higher plan naman based sa comfortable po na budget natin. Pero, 'di ba? Ang minimum talaga for that case is 2647. Limbawa, ang bracketing mo na is 41 to 50 years old, nandyan yung edad mo. So, ang minimum plan na is 3529. Hindi na po tayo pwedeng bumaba na, uy, pwede ba akong pumili ng 2941 or 2647? Di na. Kumbaga, ito po yung pinaka-minimum plan, pero we can opt to choose higher plan naman. Based sa comfortable po tayong kukunin. And lastly, pag yung age bracket po natin is around 51 to 60 years old, 44112 na po yung pwede natin kunin for that case. Okay? Hindi na rin po tayo pwedeng kumuha ng lower plan. Kumbaga, higher plan po yung option po natin. And ito yung minimum plan na pwede natin kunin. Yan. So, ito po yung mga computation natin for that case, yung table natin. And then, if you want to DIY yung Kaiser proposal, you can click here. And just fill in yung mga basic details nyo po. And ito po yung link, no? Ganyan lang po siya. Fill in these details, create code, and from there you can choose. You can play around with the tool kung ano ba yung available for that case. And moving on, ito po yung mga benepisyo. Meron siya healthcare, term life insurance, accidental death benefit. Transferable po siya. Once namatay po si plan holder, lahat ng mga benepisyo ay matatransfer po kay primary beneficiary and after paying period. Meron din po siyang retirement savings, online access, and long-term care bonus. Ito po yung maganda. Katulad namin ni Tin ng wife ko noon, nag-start po kami at the age of 23, noong 2014. So, employed kami during that time. And na-fully paid namin siya at the age of 30 during the peak of pandemic, no? Kumbaga, ang maganda kasi dito, 85% ng binayaran namin, ibabalik din po siya on the 20th year sa maturity. Ito po yung ipon na walang tapon. Diba? Unlike kasi sa short-term HMO, bayad ka ng bayad. Pag di ka nagkasakit, hindi naman pwede na, uy, HMO company, yung binayad ko for the past few years, pwede bang i-carry over or gagamitin ko siya for the existing year? Di po siya pwede. It doesn't work that way. Pero ito po, pwede. Meron po siyang return of premium na kung employed ka ngayon or hindi ka na nagkakasakit. Yan. So, meron po siyang dental healthcare benefit. Yan. Ito po, hospitalization may vary. Hospitalization coverage may vary depending po sa plan na kukunin natin. Meron din po tayong APE sa Kaiser Medical Center or accredited clinic at sa hospital sa inyong lugar. Just to note, no, if within Metro Manila po kayo and Cavite area tsaka Cebu base, clinic base po yung pwede. However, pag doon sa na-mention ko na area, wala po kayo doon, pwede pong hospital base doon sa Kaiser na networks po natin. So, life insurance, term life insurance may vary din depending po sa plan na kukunin natin. Yan. Ito yung mga benepisyo po natin after mabayaran. Pre-existing illness ay covered na po. Then meron ka pa rin term life at accidental benefit still covered hanggang maturity. May 10% po na yearly healthcare benefit, hospital benefit na or interest. Any related po sa maternity panganganak ay covered na rin siya. Meron po siyang additional 6% yearly healthcare benefit subject for provision depende sa takbo ng market. The 85% po may long-term care bonus po tayo kung hindi mo ginamit yung Kaiser mo habang nagbabayad ka. So, ito po yung mga options po natin sa maturity. 3 settlement option. Una, ayaw mo i-withdraw para tuloy-tuloy ang mga benepisyo at tubo. Or kalahati, withdraw mo, iwan yung half, and withdrawal. So, wala ka ng healthcare benefits moving forward kapag yung option 3. So, ito po yung mga maturity, ito yung mga plans, ito yung maturity value. And so, naglagay din po tayo ng sample quotation for this one. Yan, dito siya. Tapos, nandito po yung mga Kaiser Medical Centers po natin, no? Na located. By the way, hindi siya updated to. Yung EPSA Cavite, nag-relocate na tayo. Meron tayong new branch. We'll update this one once na meron na po tayo at nag-grand open na po yung Cavite area na branch. And, tapos ito, you can check naman dito yung mga accredited na networks natin. Kung wala pong accredited hospital and clinic sa inyong lugar, Kaiser will shoulder 85% of your medical expenses. Ito po yung highlights po natin for this case. 2,000 hospitals, 1,000 clinics and diagnostic centers, and 10,000 plus physicians, specialists, surgeons, etc. Yung mga doctors natin basically. Nagsimula po yung Kaiser noong June 2004 and registered po tayo sa Insurance Commission. You can browse yung website din natin, no? And you can check naman yung legalities dito. Register din po tayo. Member din po tayo ng FAMOC or yung Philippine Association of Health Maintenance Organization Companies. Si Leia Yulu po yung president po natin sa Kaiser and siya rin po yung president ng PAMOC basically. Yan. Tapos, mga nag-apply ng Kaiser, ito na po siya. No? Sa mga panghahawakan mo, may benefit card ka, meron kang certificate of full payment once fully paid ka na. And nandito rin po yung instruction how to search yung sa affiliated networks natin. So, yan, how to start. Ito po siya, yung i-fill upan nyo lang po ito. Pakita ko dito sa kabila na tab. And by the way, if gusto nyo pong face-to-face, if you're within Metro Manila area, you can visit us here sa Makati office. Ito po yung contact details namin ni Tin, ng wife ko. Yan. Dito yung mga instruction, detailed instruction basically. Tapos from here, payment options. Yan, nandyan po siya lahat. Tapos ito yung sa sample natin, no? And other ways to get in touch. And tapos ito po yung Google Maps. Yan po siya. Okay, ito yung proposal maker basically. Yan. If you have questions, concerns about long-term HMO, let us know para mag-guide po namin kayo. Thank you.